How to fix hiberfil.sys BSOD error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Insufficient disk space can lead to hiberfil.sys BSOD as the hibernation process requires adequate space to store the system state. Adjusting hibernation settings and ensuring sufficient disk space can help prevent this error. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type powercfg.exe/hibernate off to turn off hibernation and press Enter. This will remove the hiberfil.sys file and free up space. To re-enable hibernation later, type powercfg.exe/hibernate on. If that didn't work, memory issues can often lead to BSODs. Running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool can help identify and solve problems with your computer's memory. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart, and the memory diagnostic will run. Keeping Windows up to date ensures you have the latest drivers and system files, which can prevent and fix various issues, including BSODs. Microsoft regularly releases updates to improve system stability and performance. If that didn't work,